What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. Now, you guys know I've been dailying the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. And with dailying the device, I've used some accessories. I've used a lot of accessories. So I'm going to share with y'all my favorite accessories for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Let's get into it. First and foremost, guys, let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. You actually got this cover display, and a lot of times to me the cover display is what's going to take the beating. When the phone is in your pocket, when it's in your man bag, or when it's in your purse, it's actually always exposed, taking the beating from your keys or whatever. Or if you drop this device, 9 times out of 10 it's probably going to be closed, and the cover display is going to take the beating. So I feel like you really got to protect this cover display. And right now what I have on here is the glass shield from UAG. Now guys, this is a very easy install. It comes with a template and everything you need to clean the front of your device to make sure it's applied correctly. Very easy to align because of the template. It's a 2x strengthened glass screen protector for your cover display. As you can see, it's been applied on mine, nice and clear, nice and lined up perfectly because of the template. But definitely you want your cover display protected. I'll leave a link down in the description so you guys could try this out. Now, I'm a big fan of minimal cases, guys, and it don't get no more minimal than the Pitaka Mag Easy case for the Z Flip 5. I love Pitaka. They make great airman fiber cases. They're super minimal, but at the same time, they're made out of some great airman fibers that give you just like this one-of-a-kind texture. Now, I've been using this case since the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 came out, and it still looks really good, fits really well. I don't even use tape with this case. Every now and then it'll slide a little bit, but it's got a really good fit compared to a lot of cases, because a lot of cases you can't even use them without that double-sided tape. And this is what it looked like on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Now tell me that's not clean. Tell me that doesn't clean up this camera bezel very well. You get a natural button press. Just look how minimal this case is compared to this device. I would hate to turn a minimal device into a bulky device with a case. Still got the hinge out. Just a very minimal Z Flip 5 vibe with this case, but you get in this beautiful fusion weaving, this 600D airman fiber from Pitaka, one of the best companies to do it when it comes to these airman fiber and minimal cases. Nice big cutouts on the bottom. I just love this case, guys. I use a lot of cases, but I always come back to this case for this minimal feel, and it's just fire airman fiber design. And we're gonna stay on this Pitaka train for a minute. This is like a Pitaka MagSafe accessory. You can use it as a kickstand, you can use it as a ring holder, and I mean, this is just a nice MagSafe ring holder. And of course, this is actually the same Rhapsody that matches with my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 Mag Easy case. And I mean, sturdy piece of MagSafe equipment right here. The ring holder is actually made out of some type of aluminum, and it's just a very clean look. Very nice magnet on this thing, just right into place, nice and strong, not going anywhere. A nice ring holder for your finger or kickstand. I love little fidgety devices, so I love this case in a combination with this ring holder. This is how you're gonna see my Z Flip 5 all the time. But yeah, links will be down in the description for this case and this ring holder. Very dope from Pitaka. Now, another accessory that I love to use with my Z Flip 5 is my Soundcore Liberty 4 NC True Wireless Earbuds, guys. For under $100 price point. They was as low as $70 on Black Friday, but I'll find the cheapest link and put it in the description. These things sound really good, and they got all the features: active noise cancellation, different transparency modes, a full equalizer. Just a very powerful, very feature-packed earbud that sounds really good and looks really good aesthetically also. It also comes with a case that you can charge via Type-C or wirelessly charged. So just a very solid pair of earbuds that I think are an outstanding deal for under $100. Now, this is tiny, but a must-have for anybody that's kind of a techie or does any business on their phone, any content creation, things of that nature. These tiny flash drives that go from a Type-C to Type-A USB are a must-have, because I create content. So sometimes I might pull out my Z Flip 5 to record some B-roll, or just to record something that I want to put in the video, and I might want to move those files in between different devices and things of that nature. And yes, there's a lot of AirDrop and AirDrop type Android apps, but at the same time, it's nothing like a true, really fast, with a nice amount of gigabytes flash drive, guys. And I like this one, Type-C to Type-A, It just makes things really easy when you're using multiple devices, when you're creating content, when you're moving files and things of that nature. I think a lot of people should invest in one of these. But last but not least, my Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Everybody that loves smartphones should have a smartwatch, definitely. And this is just still the battery champ of Samsung watches. So I just love this. I love the battery life. I'm getting like 3-day battery life in situations where this watch should be dead. I pick it up and it still has charge. Love this watch. Love the sportier look on the watch with all the features. This is definitely one of my favorite accessories when it comes to a smartphone, a smartwatch, and the Watch 5 Pro is still really dope. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. These are all the accessories that I like to rock with my Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5. Like I said, all links will be down in the description. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. It's your boy BG. I'm out. Peace.